I'm going to show you how to remove the door handle on a Porsche Boxster, and we're going to start right now. My name is Aaron, and this is Help Me DIY. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to do your own work on your Boxster, save some money, and do all types of other DIY stuff, start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. All right, we're going to remove the door handle on the Boxster. First, you got to take the card off. If you don't know how to do that, there's a separate video, really easy to get that off. You're going to want to open all the way on the bottom to get access, to get your arm in there. And we'll know this because we just did the other side. So in here there are two 10mm nuts you have to remove, and kind of underneath you can see there's two little black plastic clips that you have to press in to release it. You don't have to worry about this cable up on the left yet. You can get that off once you remove the handle. And then you can kind of see right here where this arrow is pointing, there's a little brass kind of pin that is into this little black thing that is gonna pull out of, and then it will come out.
That's it.
Yeah, it's tough to get access into there.
Especially the back one.
Yeah, if you stick your arm down through here though, you can reach, and those are just 10mm nuts you're removing off of studs. See the fun to get back in there.
Yeah, my big arms don't help.
Now you gotta go left-handed.
Left-hand seems to actually be working better. Wish I could fit my finger right there.
Well, it's probably an access hole, so you could stick an extension through. Now that you mention it.
Yeah, probably. We'll do it the easy way though.
You guys are smarter than us. You could probably use that hole.
You probably need a swivel.
Need a swivel. Swivel. All right. 10mm swivel to the rescue.
Please. That works perfect.
Nice. All right, that's the easy way to do it.
The only thing is the, oh, it did fit.
It's that back thing.
Yeah. So I just kind of pull it down there for a minute.
Comes apart easily.
Yeah.
Tabs down there.
If you can see them.
Yeah.
Push that one, and then there's one on the other side. And this can be moved out of the way.
Out of the way. Yeah. It's really easy to see. One.
That's it. The other one's
The
done.
one already popped out. All right. And once you do that, piece will come out. And then the one wire that is still connected, you can see these two little black things. They're just kind of little tabs, or I don't know what you want to call them, but you can just pry them right apart. It'll pop right out. It just pops out of those holes. That's all there is to it. So that was it, pretty simple. I hope these were nice, clear instructions on how to do it. If they were, please give the video a thumbs up. And again, if you're not subscribed to the channel, I always appreciate your support. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.